education is an important aspect in one's lives. Education is also key. If you want to change lives, education can help you change lives of the person, of the individual and their family members. And we as elected members, this basic right of education, we must see that infrastructure, your school, infrastructure of your benches, your teachers. Two aspects are there in education. One is infrastructure, and today with the help of our MLA, GSIDC and Zilla Panchayat member, we have helped create infrastructure. We have created the infrastructure. We request Deputy Director Education in the Education Department help improve the quality of education in these schools. By quality of education we mean e-learning and खूप innovative ways of teaching are there.
ही renovate करपाचे काम आम्ही नोव्हेंबरान स्टार्ट केल्ले आणि इतून म्हाका मिस्टर राकेश कांबळेन खूब हेल्प केल्लो आसा. ही इज गॉन आउट ऑफ हिज वे इन मेनी वेज एट मेनी ओकेजन्स टू असिस्ट मी. मिस्टर मायकल लोबो ताणें म्हाका इन्स्पिरेशन दिलें हें काम स्टार्ट करपाक. हें जें काम जालां तें टोटल 40 lakhs, approximate 40 lakhs बजेटाचेर जाल्लें आसा. Total strength of this school is around 47 students, and the renovation work that is done is changing of roof, flooring, replacement of floors with vitrified tiles, changing of window panels, doors, construction of new toilet blocks, changing of wiring, electrification, and new painting. In the past 5 to 10 years, government has gone and spent a lot of money on creating infrastructure for the school, government schools. And म्हाका अशें दिसता की गव्हर्मेंटान हाली खूब एफर्ट्स घातलेले आसा infrastructure create करपाक.
GSIDC engineers, contractors, they are putting good efforts. But then this was a place where I have seen this one man running around taking care of all these requirements also, right, from the basics which are essential for any school. So that is the reason I believe that today we all are here, and the concern behind the number or the strength of the institution which he has raised at this occasion. I will take this occasion to assure you that the education department, especially from North Education Zone, that we will take all good care so as to improve the quality of learning happening here.
Education त्या टायमार आसले आनी आयज म्हाका दिसता खूब डिफरन्स आहा, आनी त्या खातीर फर्स्ट स्टेप टुवर्ड्स बेटर एड्युकेशन, दॅट इज इन्फ्रास्ट्रक्चर तयार करपाचें काम आमी केल्लें आहा. दिस इज द फर्स्ट स्टेप. भितर बरे बेंच घालप, स्मार्ट बोर्ड घालप, बरे टॉयलेट फॅसिलिटी दिवपाक आमी वावुरल्यात. थिंगा पळयात तुमी वचून टॉयलेट्स. पूण कलांगूटचे नेबरिंग जे विलेजेस आमचे कन्विन्स जाले काय ह्या स्कॉलान येवपाक, हेचेर क्वेश्चन मार्क आहा. आर द विलेजेस ऑफ कलांगूट एंड सराउंडिंग एरियाज कन्विन्स्ड that they should put their children in this government primary school for education? And if I ask all the people over here, including myself, it will be a big no. सारखे उलयला? सारखे एकटोच म्हणटा, बाकीचे सगळे उलयता. म्हाका दिसता एड्युकेशनाचेर वाद खूब जाल्लो आहा. असेंब्लीन व्हडले डिबेट जाल्ल्यो आहा, कितलेशेच आंदोलनां जाल्लीं आहा, आणि पणजे हंगर स्ट्रायकाचेर बसून लोक बसलेले आहा, टिचरी बसलेले आहा, पेरेंट्स बसलेले आहा, आणि आयज बसून हेचेर फायनल डिसिजन येयना. वी आर स्टील फायटिंग एड्युकेशन इन द नेम ऑफ लँग्वेजीस, इन द नेम ऑफ खंयचे हितून जावचे पळय ते मातृभाशेन जावचे, इंग्लिशीन जावचे, मराठीन जावचे, कोंकणीन जावचे, हेचेरूच झगडटा आमी. हेचेर निर्णय, हेचेर डिसिजन, फायनल डिसिजन म्हणटा तो कोणूच दिना. कितलेश्योच कमिटी आमी नेमल्यो, सो मेनी कमिटीज केम अप, आणि आता सिलेक्ट कमिटी कडे फॉर द लास्ट 4 years आहा. म्हाका उगडास येता आमी वचोन एश्युरन्स दिल्ले की हो वाद आमी सोंपयतले म्हणून. दीस सो लॉंग म्हणजे म्हाका कितलींच वर्सां जालीं हो हे एक डिसिजन गव्हर्मेंटाचें पेंडींग आहा, वेर parents, teachers, association, PTA of all the schools assembled together. They had so many round of talks, decisions, and the chief minister, all the entire cabinet, MLAs, everybody discussed on this. But decisions are now. And I request the government of the day, that is our government, to bring in the required reforms, to change the system, that our parents will think that yes, we will all think that we will put our children back in government primary school. Itle poishe motta ami. For what reason? Just like that, just because there is an election once in a year over there, or any other purpose, the purpose itself is defeated if we are not going to give quality education. I request the deputy director, tumi boron galche, ami ulaytale jata assembly, that education reforms येवपाकूच जाय आणि जे कितें changes घडोवन येवपाक जाय. Marathi Konkani is important, I am not saying no, but at the same time ते subject घेवन English आणि required number of teachers, quality education हिंगासर दिवपाची आयज गरज आहा.